Joël Desilma.
Decima. All right. Can you tell us what happened yesterday?
Pendant 3 heures hier après-midi,
Around 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon,
pendant chita nan yad la,
they sitting on the yard.
et puis nous immigration nan paret.
Yeah, they see the immigration jeep pull up.
Moi-même, Florido, Keno, Jano,
It was the guy who
qui était
did,
chita,
the other 3 of them.
moi-même, Keno, Jano,
Watson?
nous couri
Yeah.
ensemble.
Okay, 3 of them, one way.
Florido couri.
They ran?
Yeah.
Okay.
Immigration nan couri de Florido.
The immigration one behind the guy who did.
Côté nous hier, nous tendez Florido relé.
Where they was, they heard that the guy who did screaming,
Mais nous pas qu'à sortir.
but they can't come out.
Nous a coûté pour nous tendre qu'il est immigration nan ap sorti.
Yeah, they was listening that to hear that when the immigration leaves so they could come out.
L'entendre le sorti, nous sorti.
Yeah, when they hear he's going and they come out.
Nous relé Florido, nous pas attendre.
When they called for him, the man who did, they hear he answer.
Nous regardé côté il était courir avec immigration nan.
Yeah, they went where they was the immigration would went one behind him. They go there.
Là nous arrivé, nos jeunes Florido mourir.
Yeah, when they reached there and they saw him dead,
Après, nous call la police.
then they called the police after.
So the police is doing here. But your eyewitness story and the 2 others, I think that's what you call in law corroboration. That is, your story supports the next one, and they would have an obligation to go and investigate what went on with the immigration officer. So, thank you very much. I want to get your name, want to spell your name correctly.
Joël Desilma.
Joel,
Desilma.
Joel.
Joel.
Yeah, Desilma.
Spell the last one.
D A
D-A-S-E-L.
S-E-L M-A.
M-A. Okay. All right.
Joel Desilma.
All right. And Alima. What's his first name?
Iliodo, eh?
Florido.
Right.
F-L-E-U-R-I-D-O-R.
D-O-R.
O-R. Yeah.
And Almir is
A-L-M-E.
A-L-M-E-R-A.
R-A.
M-E-R-A.
Yeah, Almeo.
Okay. All right. Okay. Be straight.
Okay.
Be straight. Okay.
That way. And
Quand il a tête li bo ici,
his head this way.
après ça nous venons mettre main bo tête li comme
And
ça.
then his hand and the top of his forehead. A lot man.
L'autre main en même rete bon côté comme ça,
The other
puis maillot
ones?
il levé comme ça en l'air.
Yeah. So the other ones was to the bottom, and his shirt was lift up, right in there.
Rest assured that we have spoken already to the police, Inspector Arnett,
Okay. Di kita pale
Nicholstown
avec
Police Station,
inspecteur dans Nicholstown Police Station. Nous sommes parlé avec lui.
and we are satisfied
Nous satisfaits ça mot tombé.
that all is being done with respect to this investigation.
Okay. So nous satisfaits tout ça dit yo qu'il a respecté ça gen pour faire dans matin ça.
As in any investigation of death,
Dans investigation ça nous fait.
there is a requirement to have an autopsy,
Okay, nous gain pour nous recevoir autopsie que pour dead body. Ya.
which is currently being performed right now.
Okay, ça qui nous
Report as to the cause of death,
okay, depuis nous prendre report mon la mort.
then we will know how this case proceeds.
Okay, so n'a connaît puis en qu'est-ce là a marché.
There's no different right for my son over him, somebody else's son.
A gon question de c'était petit paille ou bien c'est petit
It's the
pain
same law.
l'autre, c'est même loi.
And so, in the days to come, we will do our best to ensure that justice is served,
Ok, la fait best sa capable dans situation ça.
and the family can have peace and grieve properly.
Ok, pour famille nan spécial ka joine la paix. Spécialement. Whatever.
I just want to say thank you again for your calm,
Dis nou merci
and
encore. Oui.
we'll be working for you. Thank
La
you.
travail pour nous. So don't, no question. You have a question?
If the immigration, if it was the cost of the immigration of his death, that the government at least help for his funeral, like pay some of the money for his funeral.
Well, if the family is not able to see to the burial, the government will assist. They will not allow the body to remain above ground. But it's normal that people try to bury their own dead. I think there's a certain therapeutic position that you get when you actually help in the burying of your own dead. So that is to say that you ought not to look for the government to assist in that. If in fact there is a case to be made that the immigration department is responsible for his death, in our courts we will sue. And that is when the compensation will come. It's quite difficult to get government to respond and act in a very timely fashion. So
Nou pa gen bagan ankon nou ka di?
Ok. Mwen men, ki sa ki nou ta souete nan sikonstans sa ki pase ya?
Ok, kafe ba gradi pou le.
Yeah, what you would like to say and that?
Pale.
Kote ke malere sa pou mwen ya gen pil fami Haiti.
Where this man who dead right now, he have so much family back home.
Li veni situasyon, se on kozon sityasyon ki koz ki fe rive la.
This is the situation that bring him here to help his family. back
absolutely,
home.
yes.
S'il vini la kon sa, ebe ke i resevo la mwa kon sa, ebe ke gouvernement ta dwe sipote fami sa ki Haiti ya.
The man dead right now, so how it's happened, he would like to know that if the government will give a help with the family back home.
I don't think so. I think that what has to happen is this, that the investigation has to play itself out. If we find that the immigration officer is responsible for the cause of death, then it is for us, lawyers, to take the matter to the court. Let the court decide, and then we get money from the government that way.
Si c'est immigration vraiment qui cause la mort, là au fin fait test là ou qui mourir vraiment vrai.
The government will not come and give money out like that. You have to force it out of their hands, and you got to take them to court together.
Na cote yap mené pour yo cap comment ka di mo ça même peut-être pour faire payer ou bien ça l'a fait ya.
We appreciate your calm,
Que l'apprécier non.
the fact that you have not sought to take matters into your own hands,
OK, nous pas faire bagay qui mal so.
and we would allow the laws of the country to work for us.
OK, so c'est ça que fait nous gain lawyer qui donc madame nous loi ka parler pour nous là c'est que Ashley.
We are a country of laws, and our laws will protect everybody who is here in this country.
OK, d'après la loi par il a protégé tout le monde qui dans country.